Ezekiel 36 verse 25. God will clean with water every family today. Every family has a story to tell. Welcome to mine, to ours. Our family is a circle of strength and love, foundation on faith, joined in love, kept by God, together and forever. Amen. Our God has kept us alive, me and my family. God is the one that did it, not me, not anyone. But God give us that strength, that power to sustain, to stand by us. So I thank the Lord Almighty. He's the one that give me that life.